Step inside this home and experience the beauty of its open floor plan and thoughtfully designed living spaces. The exterior of the home showcases a combination of mountain stone and siding, blending beautifully with the natural surroundings. As you enter the home through the double glass doors, you will love the open floor plan this home provides. Wonderful built-ins throughout the home. Hardwood floors throughout with spacious room for those needing extra space. The cellar has opened up the living area, providing expansive space that is perfect for hosting large gatherings. Whether it's a family get-together or a celebration with friends, this large open room offers plenty of room for everyone to relax and enjoy each other's company. The living and dining areas feature specialty ceilings, creating an elegant ambience. Hardwood floors, built-ins, and ample lighting complete the inviting atmosphere. Cathedral ceiling in the living area with loads of natural sunlight. Gas fireplace with gas starter with a new mantle. The room was recently painted and the cellars are still working on completion. The abundance of windows allows natural light to flood the space, while the gas fireplace adds warmth and charm. Additionally, there is a versatile room that can be used as an office space, formal living room or a piano room. Featuring a large window that fills the space with natural light. Cathedral ceiling with specialty lighting and hardwood floors. The kitchen is a true delight with the charm of the 1940s but the updates of today. Featuring glass front built-ins and exposed brick adding character and charm. Spacious prep island with pin lighting and beautiful hardwood floors. Step outside and enjoy the screen porch area that is perfect for relaxation. Stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors, and an abundance of cabinet space make this kitchen both functional and stylish.